Exploring Užupis in Vilnius. Walking tour of Užupis. Are you looking for a unique, off-the-beaten-path destination bursting with charm and character? Then, look no further than Užupis, the self-proclaimed Republic of Užupis located in the heart of Vilnius, Lithuania. Whether wandering through the artist studios, browsing the local designer boutiques, or admiring the mermaid and angel statues that line the streets, you'll be enchanted by the colorful and eclectic vibe of Užupis. So why wait? Come and discover the magic of Užupis for yourself. I enjoyed exploring the charming district of Užupis, located near the center of Vilnius, Lithuania. I arrived in the area around midday on a cloudy Saturday, just as the residents began filling the narrow cobblestone streets that give the area its distinct character. The streets were bustling with activity, and it was easy to see why this area is known for its bohemian and laissez-faire atmosphere. One interesting fact I learned about Užupis during my visit is that in the 16th century, Jewish people mostly inhabited the district. Today, many artists call the small 148-acre area home, and they have their flag, which features a palm hand emblem. Artist studios are also scattered throughout the district, and I saw a few local designer boutiques and hip cafes during my visit. One interesting place I visited during my trip was the Bernardine Cemetery, which is the burial place of numerous eminent locals and dates back to 1810. As I walked around the cemetery, I found myself drawn to the graves of some of the city's most notable figures. I stopped at the grave of Adam Mickiewicz, a renowned Polish poet who spent much of his life in exile. His grave was adorned with flowers and small tokens of remembrance, a testament to his impact on the city's cultural scene. Traveling on a budget doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality. Check out our list of excellent and reasonably priced hotels in the city. Check out the full list in the description below. As I made my way through Užupio Street, I was in awe of the street art that adorned the walls of the buildings. The art ranged from colorful murals to thought-provoking graffiti, and it was clear that creativity knows no bounds in Užupis. One of my favorite pieces of street art was the Frank Zappa mural. The mural was a vibrant tribute to the musician, featuring a colorful portrait of him with his iconic mustache and hair. The mural was a perfect representation of the spirit of Užupis, unapologetically bold, creative, and unique. While the district is not as exciting as some guidebooks make it out to be, it's still a must-see in Vilnius. If you're on a tight schedule, you can skip it, but there are plenty of places to visit if you're looking to get a sense of Vilnius's local culture and history. Check out the Constitution, which is written in different languages, and you can even get your passport stamped in the souvenir shop just over the bridge. Get ready for a new adventure every week as I take you to one of the most beautiful cities in the world. My next destination is a must-see, and you don't want to miss it. Join me on this journey and discover the hidden gems and unique experiences. Don't miss out on my interesting videos. Hit the subscribe button now to be the first to join me on my next